Hey Fox, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to remove or delete all the viruses or malwares in your computer. So let's get started. Okay, so the very first step is you need to do a right click here at the start icon and then go for run. Okay, so in this small window, you need to type clean mgr and then click on OK to proceed. Okay, so the moment you click on that, this cleanup window will appear. Here you need to mark check all of these junk files. Okay, so these are junk files, the bags, registries created by your system and not by you. So definitely it will not delete your data, your important files, videos, pictures in your computer, and in my case it will free up to 3.4 MB size. The reason why it only free up a smaller size because I have just done cleaning earlier. Okay, so your case might be bigger than that. Okay, so in order to proceed, just simply click on OK and then delete files. Okay, now it's starting to clean up your drive. It will temporarily delete all the unnecessary junk files or bugs in your computer. Okay, so once done, let's proceed to the second step, which is to open run again. Simply press Windows and R key together, and this time type temp. Then click on OK to proceed. Okay, so the moment you click on that, you will be redirected here in this window. Okay, your case might, I mean, you in your computer will able to see all the bunch of files in your computer. In my case, I have just only one file because, as I have said earlier, I have just done cleaning. Okay, so here you just have to click anywhere of those files, Control A to select the whole, and then Shift to delete, and just simply click on yes to proceed, okay? And then skip those files in use to complete the process. And once done, then just simply close this window. And this time, let's open Windows and R key together. And this time, you need to type percentage temp percentage and then click on OK to continue. Okay. So the moment you click on that, you will able to see all the file folders. These are junk files, registries, bugs created by your system again. And again, I want to assure you that this step is very harmless since it will not delete all your important data. This will just remove all the files that might contain viruses in your computer. Okay, just select again any of this file, then click on OK to select the whole, then shift to delete, and then click on OK to delete these items, then skip those folders in use. Okay, just simply skip to all of the folders in use to complete the process. Okay, so there are files left in your window, and that's completely fine. Okay, so once done, let's simply close this and let's proceed to the next step, which is to open your malware bytes. Okay, so observe how this malware bytes, perform. If it's performing well, then fine, and if it's not, then proceed to the Hitman Pro. Download this for free. It has these two options, download 64-bit and download 32-bit. So in my case, I am in 64-bit, so just go with this first one, okay? So most of the computers have 64-bit, so go with this first one, okay? So the moment you click on that, just install this Hitman Pro and clean all the junk files, the malwares, the viruses in your computer, and close the window, okay? So once done, just have to close this and let's proceed to the next step, which is to open our internet panel or by simply clicking this Windows and R key together and type inetcpl.cpl, then click on OK. So the moment you click on that, you're able to open this internet properties. You will be able to see a lot of sections here. Now, in this time, you need to go for advanced. Okay. then scroll down, then go for restore events. Okay? So once you restore your advanced settings, make sure that you backed up your data's important files and make sure you transfer that in a hard drive like USB, because once you click on this, it will delete the files or the datas in your computer. So make sure you have the backup, and once done, just simply close this window and open your Malwarebytes. Okay? So once you open your Malwarebytes, just have to delete all the junk files. I mean, optimize your computer using the Malwarebytes, and once done, simply uninstall the software application. Okay? So those are the steps on how to delete, remove all the I mean the viruses, sorry for that, the viruses, the malwares in your computer. So hopefully this video helps you. If yes, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching this video and take care everyone.